Hey guys, it's Denise again. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair with no heat, just using socks. Alright, so first we're going to start off with, just regular hair and our socks. I'm just using these two fuzzy socks. Okay, so I'm just going to split my hair and part it how I would wear it during the day. Part it down the middle, sort of. Okay, so then I'm just gonna brush my hair, get rid of those tangles and those knots, just like so. Alright, so next I'm gonna just tie my hair, just tie one side just to get out of the way. So then I'm gonna split my hair in two equal parts, and then I'm gonna put the sock under the hair. Just like that. So put it under your hair because I'm going to be wrapping it away from my face. So I'm going to bring the hair over and under. And then next with my other piece of hair, I'm going to be doing the same thing but in the opposite direction. So just wrapping it over and under. Sorry if it's kind of hard to see. So yes, over and under. And then again, other hair. Over and under. And then again, over and under. So pretty much you're just wrapping your hair around the sock in opposite directions. And you just want to keep doing that, wrapping it over and under. Ta-da! Okay, so then once you reach the bottom, you're just gonna tie it with any hair tie, just like so. Yay! And then I'm going to pull the top of the sock just to straighten it out a bit at the top. Okay, so next I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, wrapping the hair away from my face on the front part. So just putting the sock under the hair and then wrapping over and under. And then I'm going to go in the opposite direction with the other piece of hair. Just over and under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. So yeah, you just keep doing that. If you want to do it with more socks, you totally could. That would work too. I usually just do 2 socks and it's good enough for me. But yeah, once you reach to the end, you're just gonna want to tie it with a hair tie again. I'm just using this scrunchie. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull it up at the top again just to straighten it up a bit. And then there you have it. So then you're gonna go to sleep. You're gonna wake up the next morning. And then you're gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, so you're gonna go to the bathroom and take out your curls. So I'm just gonna unravel it. Very easy. All you do is just pull the sock out from the bottom. Always do it from the bottom. And then just do it on the other side. By the way, these TikTok curls, these are from TikTok. I don't know who invented this, but anyways, yeah, I just flipped my hair. So yeah, it looks like that. I kind of just swoosh it. And then it looks like that. You can also brush it if you want. And then yeah, there you have it. So let me know if you guys tried this and let me know how it works, if it works for you too. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment poop if you heard this.